morning everyone. Myself Usha Kachre. I am as an assistant lecturer working in the Devi Mahalakshmi Polytechnic College from the Electronics and Telecommunication department. So today we are going to study about the multimeter and the basic electronic component. With the help of multimeter, how we have to measure the continuity of the basic components, and you have to test that basic component like that resistor, capacitor, then your diode, then whether the given power supply is the DC or AC. So here, look at here. This is your multimeter, and there are many specifications on that. We can measure the current, then transistors, type of transistor, then the AC or DC voltage and the resistors value. So there are three terminals are there. If you observe that here, maximum 10 ampere to 250 volt fuse, maximum 30 seconds. It means that if your current range is from more than 200 milliampere and up to 10 ampere, you can measure. You have to place your positive knob over here and you can check the current. If your current range is less than 200 milliampere and more than the 2 milliampere, you can check. You have to insert the positive knob over here, and this is your common negative, your negative knob over here, and then you can check the current range. Depend on your current range, you can insert the knob according. Okay, if you observe that in the starting on the multimeter, this is the your 600 and 200, which shows you can check the AC voltage with the help of this range. Then next one is that the 200 microampere. Here the capital A is there. You can measure the current in the ampere only. So in that the ranges from 200 microampere up to 200 milliampere. So here I am placing here the red knob. With the help of that, here the at the bottom, see here you can check the diodes, then milliampere current range, then the voltage, which means that whether it will be AC or DC. Okay, then next is that the HFE, means here you can check the given transistor is the NPN transistor and PNP transistor. If you observe that here that they are mentioned NPN and PNP, and at the top side E means emitter, collector, base and emitter. Okay, so you have to insert the transistor according to the given slots, and you have to check whether the given transistor is the NPN and PNP. Then next is the see here Wi-Fi symbol is there. This is means you have to check the connectivity of the given electronic component. Suppose I am taking this LED and whether my LED is working or not. So you have to connect positive terminal to positive and negative terminal to negative. So suppose my LED is glow, it means see here it shows the given component is working. Then next I am taking the one wire, single core wire is there. I want to check the given wire is properly working or not. See here, suppose I am connecting one terminal to one end and another is the another end. It gives the beeping sound. It means your wire is in the working progress. Okay. Then next is that next slot is that the ohm slot. It means you can measure the given resistance value with the help of this. Here the range from 200 ohm to up to 2 mega ohm. Okay, suppose we can check the given resistance value manually. Okay, so this is your resistance slot. You can measure the given resistance value with the help of the multimeter. So I am taking just this is the resistor. It shows the some value on. Keeping the knob over here 200 ohm slot means ohm slot, and this one resistor is there. I have to check their value. Okay, so if you observe that on the display it shows the one, it means it may more than 200 resistor in the of the given resistors value. So I am just changing their knob on the, I am keeping on 2K and just checking their value. It shows around 3.20. It means it will be 330, either 340 ohm resistors is there. Again I am moving this knob and keeping on the 20K. If the value is less than, it will shows in the point, and if the value is more than, it will shows in the 1. Obvious, it having the 330 ohm resistors value, so it shows the 0.30 range. It means it will be right. Next slot is that, see here V is there. Range is from 2 volt to up to 600 volt, but this slot is for the DC. You can check the
DC voltage with the help of this. So I am keeping this 9-volt battery, and you have to check how much you have to check their voltage, how much it will be. Suppose I am keeping the knob on the 2 volt and just I am checking the given battery voltage. So if you observe that the given battery is having the 9 volt and I am keeping the knob over here, so it will shows only 1. So it means the maximum value. So I am keeping the knob on 20 and just checking the now see the value on the multimeter is having the 7.90 around. It means battery somewhat 2 volt is get drained, and totally it shows the 7 volt on the multimeter. Then next you can check according your apparatus. Suppose it will be the more than 200, it shows the value 200 volt, either 600 volt. So at the last this will be the off button. So thank you.